Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best bamboo longboards that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have 10 Toes Board Emporium Bamboo Longboard. Are you thinking of getting started with the skating? For the ideal experience and stability as a beginner, this quality bamboo longboard is the choice for you. The longboard provides the best stability since it has a large deck. This will keep you safe as you ride. Second, to this, the longboard features the 85A POO wheels that will offer you the best speed ever. The lightweight and rugged 7-inch aluminum trucks make the longboard great for every beginner and expert. The multicolor picks also allow for easy selection whenever you make the order. Moving on at number 4, we have the Quest Super Cruiser Bamboo Longboard. The length of the bamboo board you wish to purchase is vital. This is a 44-inch longboard designed using the best bamboo material. The longboard also features the genuine ABEC7 speed bearings that make the riding simpler and fast. Additionally, it has quality wheels that can easily move on different pathways. The wheels are highly durable, hence the exceptional choice for you. Other than this, the bamboo longboard has a 7-inch aluminum truck and is now in multi-colors. You will get the favorite color selection you need. Lastly, it is cost-effective longboard recommended for both beginners and expert riders. At number 3, we have White Wave Bamboo Longboard. For the best stability and great riding speed, you now have an excellent type of bamboo longboard. This durable bamboo longboard features multiple bamboo layers plus Canadian maple to provide the best durability. Second, to this, the bamboo longboard has a large deck that provides the best stability. It has a dimension of 36 by 9 inches, hence relatively wider to maximize the stability. The high rebound urethane wheels are the best for easy movement just as expected. The longboard can now be found in various colors to select from. The cost is budget friendly, hence a great pick for you. At number 2, we have Plation Drop Through Freestyle Longboard. When thinking of the right gift for him, this is an exceptional choice that he will like. This quality bamboo longboard has a wide range of colors to pick from. You will, therefore, find his favorite color. Secondly, it is a long-lasting bamboo longboard that can serve for years without breaking down. This is due to the fact that it has been designed with the best 8-ply flex bamboo wood. Other than this, the longboard features the precision ABEC7 bearings that make the riding fun and easy. The 250 pounds weight of the board allows for easy portability. And finally at number 1, Magneto Bamboo Longboards. Finding a versatile longboard is highly recommended. This is a versatile longboard that you will get ideal for freestyle riding, cruising, carving, and downhill riding. With this, you can use the same longboard for different riding styles you will definitely like. The large deck of the bamboo longboard makes it very stable and, therefore, suits the beginners who require maximum stability. Additionally, the longboard has rebound 80A wheels that offer a smooth and comfortable ride. It has been recommended for carving and freeride since it features the 7-inch gravity casting heavy truck. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.